everyone. Hello everybody. I'm Dr. Chinyere A. Ugaji, MD, MBA, in the Electronic Residency Application Service 2015, updated licensing documentation. In current clinical practice and graduate medical education experience. A Master's in Public Health, called Social and Behavioral Sciences at Capella University, Minneapolis, Minnesota. The American Mock Interview Season 2015. A public health project on sexual violence, domestic violence, child abuse as a public health continuum. A pediatric research with my three-year-old son, Kingston Eke. Welcoming you to Dr. Chiquito Mentoring Iridescence Educational Global Collaborative Ustream YouTube show, a Reach Higher and Let's Move initiative of the First Lady of the United States of America, First Lady Michelle Obama. Today, the 2nd of February 2015, it's approximately 7:15 a.m. Central Time. And I would want to invite you to read some famous quotes by the President of the United States of America, President Barack Obama, on the White House internship, and the First Lady of the United States of America, First Lady Michelle Obama, on the Reach Higher initiative, and a quote by me on my graduate medical education curriculum review. And various recommendations by various graduate medical educators on my Accreditation Council of Graduate Medical Education Core Competencies. So I would also want to apologize for the technical glitches that we've had all through the major part of last week. Those topics will be covered this week on Dr. Chiquito Mentoring Iridescence Educational Collaborative Global Ustream YouTube show, a Reach Higher and Let's Move initiative of the First Lady of the United States of America, First Lady Michelle Obama. So today we'll be talking about the graduate medical education questions that are encountered on the expedition for the perfect fit for our graduate medical education goals. And we'll talk about the graduate medical education question for the interviewer, which could be the program director, the faculty, the residents, the medical students, or the staff. And that question would be how are fellowships handled? This is a good opportunity to learn about the varied fellowship opportunities available in that specialty. And now we'll go to the next question, which is the question for the interviewee, which could be you or me, even as we are on the expedition for the perfect fit for our graduate medical education goals. And that question would be, what is the Affordable Health Care Act? And my answer to that would be the Affordable Health Care Act, or the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, PPACA, popularly known as Obamacare, is a federal health care institute signed into law by President Barack Obama on March 23, 2010. And the Patient and the Health Care and Education and Reconciliation Act represents a most significant regulatory overhaul of the United States healthcare system since the passage of Medicare and Medicaid in 1965. Enacted with the goals of increasing the quality and affordability of health insurance, lowering the uninsured rates, expanding public and private insurances with mechanisms including subsidies, mandates, and insurance exchanges. The Affordable Health Care Act puts patients back in charge of their health care. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, 2014. So with that, I would like to thank our collaborators. We can be found at email chinyere.ugoji@yahoo.com, or my phone number, which is 214-282-6927. For copies of Graduate Medical Education Curriculum Review by Dr. Chinyere A. Ugoji, MD, MBA. Prizes, a free physical examination, live on Dr. Chiquito Mentoring Iridescence Educational Global Collaborative Newsroom YouTube show, a Reach Higher and Let's Move initiative of the First Lady of the United States of America. We are going to be collaborating with her tomorrow on this show. We'll be talking about pregnancy, pre-eclampsia. We'll be talking about healthcare news from the White House over the past 2 weeks, and also other various interesting topics. And I would like to end the show with a request for a face-to-face interview with graduate medical education programs through the National Residency Matching Program and Electronic Residency Application Service 2015. And wish you a wonderful interview day and a wonderful day.